Hell yeah, what's up again, members? I'm back for another little quick video. Oh God, I can't stop. Oh yeah, see a truck eat my snow dust. Yeehaw! They're probably like, oh my. Why are you asking I'm staying in the snow and not on the pavement? I don't know, the snow's more challenging. I don't know, the snow seems funner, better, gooder. Yeehaw, oh, right there. Oh, we're getting into dry roads now. Yeah, it's no fair. Yeehaw, on the go again, guys. Oh yeah. Smoking that truck. Truck should be smoking me technically in this stuff. It'll catch up on the corners, that's for sure. My biggest fear, and I'm going to get on the pavement for this one. Yeah, is going around one of these bends and laying her down on the snow. That's, oh God, oh. Yeehaw! Yeah, we're just moving now, guys. I just want to get to some better snow-covered shit. That's all, guys, that's all. Oh, back into the slush of things. Yeehaw. You know, you're trying for the pass. I ain't letting you. Not in the straightaway anyways. Nope. Oh, yeah. Should I hit the bike path? Oh, I should. At least cut across, maybe. Yeah, why not, guys? For a members video, why not? Why the hell not? Oh, that's the alarm clock. That means better head to work now. That's where I'm heading. Yeehaw! Definitely gonna take it slow around here, because you never know what's coming up here. Doot doot. The alarm clock's going off. You wonder if you guys can hear that. Ooh. Oh yeah. Ooh. Yeah, guys. This is awesome. Woo. Oh yeah, good old Navi rips, that's for sure. It's gonna be fun this winter. Yeehaw! Oh, maybe go see what's rocking downtown on the way to work. Oh, I just want to keep riding, making videos. Oh, mixed members. I was kind of depressed when we got snow and I had to put the VTX out, but I'm having fun to make up for it, that's for sure. I was out on it for quite a bit the other day, but my battery was completely pooched. I thought I was recording, but nope. So, it is, you get what you guys get, yeah. Edit on the computer, Oh no, members, I'll edit on my phone, because I can post it pretty quick at work. Well, maybe not this one. Because this one was recorded, yeah, I don't know about this one. This one is, stop! I get stop. Oh, I think that's it for the snow ripping for today. But I thought you got some decent footage. Woohoo! I'm going Mitsubishi! Yeehaw! Passing you coming up to a red light. Yeah! Past you. Past. Oh yeah, downtown has snow! I went to grab the clutch. Clutch! Come on. Wee-haw! Down. Oh! Why are we going so slow? Don't make me pass you downtown. Yeehaw! No, I guess we are doing the speed limit. Why are you... Gee, people, it's like there's snow on the roads. Oh yeah, anyone want to come and check out some food? They have food down here. I think it's for the winter, I don't know. They're little, not food per se, but they're merchants. I don't know what kind of merchants. Whoa, why are we, you're such a bonehead. Hee-haw. Oh yeah, just a moving oh, the wind. Jump. I don't really want to jump in the snow. Hell yeah, guys. Oh yeah. Doo-doo. It's winter time. 30 kilometers an hour ends. 200 kilometers an hour start. Hey, there's a motorcycle here. Stopping time. Don't run me down, please. I do the hot dive under that truck. Hee-haw! Oh yeah! Haven't went down yet, other than the first day. Just gotta get used to it. Wee-haw! This is the corner I don't like doing. Wee-haw! Oh, yep. I don't know, my leg just doesn't bend proper. It looks like a ghost town. Okay, guys, have a great day. Make sure you stay tipsy, stay tripping, and stay doing what you love. Hell yeah, cheers, y'all.